Rope to left, this is headed to the fence. A tough play for Lundqvist. He's got no play, and it's a home run. And back-to-back home runs as David Oppenheim wants to get in on the action. Rush to left center. That one is headed to the trees. So long baseball, the third Trojan home run of the night. Big curveball, and he got it swinging. No chance for Banuelos as Huberman pulls the string on that one. Rolled to second, that should be enough to do it. Rios on to first, and the out is recorded. For us here at USC, it has been a delight. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, stay safe and fight on.